Ease of access. Manages excess cables via in-wall storage and provides convenient access to back of TV as needed. Compatibility. Includes USB Type-A and receptacles to power a digital TV adapter, cable box, USB-compatible backlighting, soundbar, or streaming media devices such as Apple TV or Roku. Manage all your cables. Cable access strap easily handles the many cables necessary to support your TV. Flexibility. Compatible with all TV power plugs, even right-angle cords, bulky power supplies and USB Type-A connections. Top reviews from the United States. I am so happy with this product. It was super easy to install. It didn't come with a handsaw, so I used my miter saw. I had to push the blade into the wall before operating it. I love the 2-power outlet system with 2 USB ports. I saw 2 other similar products priced at $100 AMD $80. I couldn't be happier with this one.